And if I push into it, it should go into your back hand. See how solid that is? Right. You always come up with a guard, maybe do a... There you go. Boom. The reason I scoot back is because even though I may have kicked that person back and created some distance, they may be charging as I'm trying to come up. So once my feet land as I come up, I'm just going to take a small hop back. After that hop back, I'm in position to defend. So if I'm just coming up, I hop back, I can always kick forward, or if I'm coming back, I can switch, go to armbar, strike. Start in here, and I can start coiling in, locking, getting the type of grips that I want out here. But once we get close, then I'm in here. And I had a Tai Chi teacher who...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like we can try and check the leg. Like if I go for your leg, just step back with that leg. Yep. Then I try and get underhook. You try and grab my leg, which one? Feel better? So I step back. Two, and then you can go back on the butt. Two, and then back. Turn it.